Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video on the full Disney Villains collection because I actually picked up the full collection. It was a pretty penny, but I love Disney and I love villains, so I am really excited to talk through everything. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is my big box of Colourpop. I am going to have a separate video doing a tutorial using the Misunderstood palette, which is this look I have on currently. The lipstick that I am wearing currently is the Maleficent lipstick from this collection. A very, very beautiful color. I am also wearing the Ursula highlighter on my cheeks. We have two Glitterly Obsessed, which I love these glitters. These are not eye safe, so keep that in mind. I know a ton of people who use them on their eyes. I will use them on my eyes. It's just up to you whether or not you feel safe doing so. My favorite shade is Do I Look Like I Care, which of course is a purple shade. These retail for $8. The lids have the same packaging as the lipsticks, which is pretty cool. So that's just what Do I Look Like I Care looks like. It is super, super pretty. Which is more of a blue silver toned. It has holographic glitter though. The highlighters come in 6 different shades. Now personally, you guys know that I'm pretty pale, so there are only 3 shades that work for me, I believe. Ursula, Cruella, and Maleficent's highlighters. Those I demoed to show you guys. The other 3 are just, I would assume, too dark. Highlighters retail for $10 US a piece, which is a bit more expensive than the normal Super Shock shadows, but they do come in really pretty packaging and they have a mirror, which is great. The Misunderstood palette retails for $22 and doesn't come with a mirror, which is kind of sad, but the packaging is gorgeous. The shades are gorgeous. There are only 5 mattes in this palette, but I do really enjoy it. Anyways, I was able to create this look. I do like it. There are 6 lipsticks, 1 for each villain. My favorite have to be Cruella and Maleficent. Cruella is just a beautiful orangey red, and Maleficent is the one I'm wearing right now, which is just a pretty, like, berry pink color. I really enjoy it. And the packaging actually feels pretty luxurious. There are 6 lip glosses, which is just in their ultra glossy lip formula. My favorite is the one My Pet by Maleficent. This is just like a sort of holographic purpley blue glitter. I wore this while I did this makeup look and I thought it was gorgeous. The gloss applicator is kind of a huge miss for me. Instead of doe foots, they now do this wand situation, which I do not like personally. I feel like they're pokey. I've heard that if you wear them out a bit, they get better, but I think that's kind of dumb. These retail, I think, for $7, and they do have special packaging, but I always find that this sort of packaging rubs off, so keep that in mind. Lastly, we have the Jelly Mutt shadows. These retail for $8 a piece as well, and the packaging looks like this, just simple, has Villains and Colourpop logo. I really like the Jelly Mutt shadow formula, so I definitely am happy I picked up the entire set. Spindle is my favorite. It's a beautiful purple. I just wish there wasn't a black base to it, because I really don't like purples with black bases, but that one is just so pretty. overall, I really enjoy this collection. I think that if you're a Disney fan, if you're a Colourpop fan, I think you'll like this. I do think, like, Hades, I feel like should have had maybe more blue tone stuff rather than orange tone, but like I get it, like it's how it is. If you guys want lip swatches of all the lipsticks and glosses, I will be doing those very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. I will do a review on the Misunderstood palette very soon. Same goes with everything once I have used them enough to know what I think. You can get the full Colourpop Disney Villains set. You can get the PR set where you're paying an extra 40 some bucks for a box, or you can just get the full collection and you get it at a discounted rate, which is what I did.